Shirin here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we are unboxing this right here. I genuinely have no idea what this is. It could be anything, I really don't know. Obviously, it's my EDC ticket. Woo woo! Let us commence, shall we? Let us unbox. With the power of editing, I present to you EDC Las Vegas 2019. Wow, can we just take a moment? I mean, hello, this is absolutely beautiful. This whole rainbow going on, I'm living for it. These bandanas, so cool. So excited to wear these. Definitely gonna be wearing these at EDC. If you're wondering why I have two, it's because this is for me and Ollie, not just me, so it's gonna be 2 tickets. Okay, before we open this up, I really just want to show you guys a closer up view of the box. Look at that! Wow! Insane. I love this so much. I could literally sit here and do this all day, but I'm not going to because let's get on into the inside. Actually, first off, let me just see the back. What is this? I don't know. I'm just gonna throw that over there. Okay, so on the side it says, bring the energy, which you know Quantum Valley will. Where are my Quantum Valley fans at? And then over here it says, Insomniac EDC Las Vegas 2019. I love how everything on here is like this reflective sort of material. It's so cool. And then right here we just have like this whole Insomniac pattern. So let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, this is so beautiful! You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of a high school yearbook, but like 20 times better. A million times better. Like, it's just so cool. Side note, you know what would be such a cool idea? Literally just popped into my head right now. What if there was a such thing as a rave yearbook? Like, after EDC, you put all of the pictures that you and your friends took into a scrapbook sort of thing that has this sort of cover, and you can just go through it. You guys can like write things, make memories, put pieces of candy in there. Oh, that would be so cool. Anyways, sidetrack, majorly sidetrack. Let's open this up. Ta-da! Okay, so this says, welcome to Electric Daisy Carnival. And then it just talks all about EDC basically. So let me just give you a synopsis. I don't want to read the whole thing and bore you. EDC is inspired by the idea that nature and technology, when joined together, generate a powerful force that moves people on both a physical and spiritual level. The festival is also deeply connected to what I feel and experience in my own life and the things I see happening in the world. Over the years, Kinetic Field has taken on many forms: a cathedral, a crystal village, Mother Earth, and the epicenter of universal love. This year's theme, Kinetic Energy, is woven into the fabric of each of our stages and has a very special meaning for me. And then Pasquale just goes on to say a bunch more things. You can read that. You can pause this and read it if you want. But let's get into the fun part. Oh wow, that was a spoiler. Let's come back to that later, but from what I saw, that looked really exciting. Okay, let's start here. So this is the EDC booklet under the electric sky. So over here, we've got a bunch of info about EDC. Our community, our values, self-expression, positive energy, the united community, spreading love. Plur. Basically, plur. Moving right along, we've got the stages. So first up is Kinetic Field, aka main stage. And then we've got some pictures, so beautiful. And Cosmic Meadow. I love that. That is so cool. Circuit Grounds. I love Circuit Grounds. Such an amazing stage. Neon Garden. Neon Garden is a really cool stage too. I really love it. Dude, literally, you're epic. Okay, Base Pod. TBT when it caught on fire. LOL. Wasteland. Oh, I love their makeup. Quantum Valley, let's go! So Quantum Valley is actually supposed to be bigger and better this year, and I don't know about you, but I am hyped about that. Then we got Stereo Bloom. Stereo Bloom is also really cool. And then Downtown EDC. So this is basically like where you go to eat, take pictures, things like that. You can also get married there. And then we got info about Camp EDC. If you've actually been to Camp EDC, comment down below and let me know how your experience was last year. Because I have never camped at EDC. Don't plan to, but I'm just curious what people's experiences was. Oh, okay, we've got Camp EDC pro tips. That's cool. So basically, leave no trace, aka clean up after yourself, pace yourself, I agree, neighborly love, express to impress, all aboard the fam van, pack practical. I agree with all of this. And then we've got what to bring, so you got a packing list, acceptable items, prohibited items. I'm pretty sure you can find all this information on the Insomniac website as well. So I'll link it down below if that's the case, I'm pretty sure. And then we've just got some festival information, stuff about the parking lot. It opens at 2 p.m. I actually have a whole video that goes way more in depth about the parking lot coming out, so I will link that below and in this video as well, so definitely check that out. And then we've just got stuff about the wristband. Oh, fun fact, or pro tip actually about the wristband, don't put it on right now. First of all, wait until you get to Las Vegas, like EDC day, and then put it on. And two, don't make it too tight, because I know there's gonna be somebody out there who's gonna make that mistake, regret it, and be like, how do I take this off? I'm just telling you right now, don't make it too tight. You're gonna regret it. And then entry and security, festival guidelines, yada yada yada, EDC pro tips. Oh, speaking of pro tips, I do have another video that is 22 must-know tips about EDC. It's literally perfect. If you're a beginner, never been to EDC, definitely check that one out. You're gonna find it so helpful. And that is that for the booklet. Let's move on to Welcome Home. I am so ready. Oh, nope. Those are the tickets. You know what? I'm not going to be showing those because I know there are people out there who like to make fakes. That is one of the biggest issues that I ran into when I was working customer experience for Insomniac. The amount of people that we had to turn away because of fake tickets truly made me so sad. Like, we're not about that on this channel. I'm not going to show you what the tickets look like. I'm not trying to help you thieves out there and scammers make fake tickets. Moving on to this guy, this is the fun part. We've got an EDC keychain. So cool! It just says EDC Las Vegas 2019. I think that is amazing. Definitely needs to go on my keys very soon. We've got an EDC patch. Oh, this would be really cool on like a jean jacket or something. And then we've got some stickers. Do I want to open this? Yes I do. I hate opening things like a mess, so I'm gonna grab some scissors and be right back. Snip, snip, snip. Audiotistic, Nocturnal Wonderland, EDC Las Vegas, Escape, Countdown, Insomniac, Hard, Beyond Wonderland. Drop a comment down below letting me know which one of these events you've been to. I have been to Escape. That was my first Insomniac event actually. Well, technically Hard Summer was, and then I have been to Beyond. And obviously I've been to EDC. Where did that EDC one go? I am making a mess. No, for real, where did it go? Oh, there it is. It's so tiny, it's so easy to lose. Okay, moving right along. Oh, I guess this one's for Ollie. Makes sense, there's two. Okay, so we've got pins. This is so exciting! This would definitely be really cool on a jean jacket too. You know what? After this is all done, I'm gonna go pop these on my jean jacket real quick because it's gonna be so cute. Okay, anyways, we've got this little eyeball guy. Super cute. EDC Insomniac. And you know what I really love about this? It's all glittery. If you guys know me, you know that I live for glitter, so this is really exciting. And then we've just got another set of that for Ali. So cool. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I can't believe EDC is almost here. Like, we are so close. I'm just so hyped. I cannot wait. Very, very excited to see you guys under the electric sky. Okay, I'm gonna go pop these on my jacket real quick and I will be right back. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who has the cutest jean jacket of them all? Me. It's me. Isn't this so cute? This one makes me so happy. It's just so adorable. It's the feet, man. It's the feet. It adds such cuteness to it. I'm thinking I probably should have brought him in a little bit, like here, just so he's not like all the way off to the side, but it's fine, whatever. I'm still very excited about these. These make me so happy. So happy that I actually forgot to show you guys the mask. So let's unbox that real quick. I'm debating whether or not to actually put this on because obviously I do have makeup on, and when I put on masks on top of makeup, it usually messes it up. So I don't know, we'll see. So this is one of these ones. Looks like a book cover, honestly. It's like one of those, and you just put it around your head. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it, and I'm not gonna bring it up. I'll just leave it down here. So one really cool hack for these is to wet them. If you're feeling like you're just overheating at EDC, you need to cool down, take this to the water stations and just have one of the people at ground control just like squirt water on it and then put it back on. You're gonna feel so refreshed. Okay, I don't know how to make the EDC part show without putting it on my face, so we're gonna do it, you guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna risk ruining my makeup. Worth it! Wow, this looks so cool. Do you guys think that a lot of people are gonna be wearing theirs to EDC? Like, will everybody be looking the same? Or do you think people are gonna opt for different style masks? Personally, I have other masks right now that I plan on wearing to EDC, but I'm thinking this honestly would be cool to wear with like one of my outfits. You know? You know? So here's what it looks like. Loving it. Let's see if my makeup transferred. You know, it actually looks, oh no. We've got foundation stains. I knew it. So yeah. If you're gonna wear these, maybe like don't wear foundation. If you guys want a makeup tutorial for EDC, please let me know. I can definitely make that happen. So that is it for my EDC box unboxing video. If you guys want to check out more of my EDC videos, definitely check out my rave/music festival playlist. It is packed with a bunch of amazing videos, so go there. I'll have them like linked right here, so you know, check them out. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!